Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we will explain about social framework, which is social tools. First one is managing your 2.0 website. So what is Web 2.0 technology? When it comes to defining Web 2.0, the term means such internet application which allow sharings and collaboration opportunities to people and help them to express themselves online. Web 2.0 is the business revolution in the computer industry caused by the move to the internet as a platform and any attempt to understand the rules for success on that new platform. It's a simply improved version of the first World Wide Web, characterized specifically by the change from static to dynamic or user-generated content and also the growth of social media. The concept behind Web 2.0 refers to rich web applications, web-oriented architecture, and social web. It refers to changes in the ways web pages are designed and used by the users, without any change in any technical specification. So basically, Web 2.0 technology is an internet application which allows the user to share and collab with the people around them, no matter how far we are. Next, what are the examples of Web 2.0 applications? Web 2.0 examples include hosted services such as Google Maps, web applications such as Google Docs and Flickr, video sharing sites such as YouTube, wikis such as MediaWiki, blogs which is WordPress, social networking such as Facebook, folk synonyms such as Delicious, microblogging such as Twitter, podcasting such as Podcast Alley, and content hosting services, and many more. So there are many examples of Web 2.0 applications that we have. So the major difference between Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 is that Web 2.0 websites enable users to create, share, collaborate, and communicate their work with others without any need of any web design or publishing skills. These capabilities were not present in Web 1.0 environment. So as we can see, Web 2.0 is the easier way for people to complete their work or to communicate with each others. There are a lot of advantages of Web 2.0. For example, available at any time and any place. It has variety of media, ease of usage. Learners can actively be involved in knowledge building, can create dynamic learning communities. Everybody is the author and the editor, and every idea that has been made can be tracked. It is also user-friendly. The updates in the wiki are immediate and it offers more sources for researchers. And lastly, it provides real-time discussion. Next is use and impact of Web 2.0. Adobe Flash, Microsoft Silverlight, and JavaScript are used as rich web technologies in delivering Web 2.0. In addition to Ajax, RSS, and Eclipse, its applications are based on the recognized download methodology that made BitTorrent so fruitful that each downloader of content is also a server, sharing the workload and making the content more accessible. It can be a powerful lure for an enterprise, with interactivity promising to fetch more employees into daily contact at a lower cost. The use of Web 2.0 technologies and tools aids greater participation in projects and idea sharing, thus ideally leading to better thought-out design and more efficient production, strengthening bonds with customers, and improving communications with partners. So we can conclude that Web 2.0 brings a lot of benefits to its users because it somehow can make our work easier.
Okay, YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online video. You can even create and upload your own video to share with others. Originally created in 2005, YouTube is now one of the most popular sites on the web, with visitors watching around 6 billion hours of video every month. So, What are the main functions of YouTube? User can search for and watch videos, can create a personal YouTube channel, can upload video to your channel. Users can subscribe, follow other YouTube channel and users. So, the advantage of YouTube is free to use, give you the opportunity to earn money through your videos, and easy to use. The next tool is Flickr. Flickr is almost certainly the best online photo management and sharing application in the world. It has two main goals. Firstly, we want to help people make their photo available to people who matter to them. Secondly is we want to enable new ways of organizing photos and video. Advantage of Flickr is store photo, share photo, search photo, sort photo, and save photo. Next is disadvantage of Flickr. Flickr can be spam, can block message sender, can delete topic in a group. When you are invited to join a group, if you click no thanks, you will get the invitation again. You don't get responses for the Flickr admin. The next tool is SlideShare. SlideShare is a popular presentation and document sharing platform. Since LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, SlideShare users tend to be focused on business. Best of all, there's no cost to upload, review, or download information published on SlideShare. Who needs SlideShare? Firstly is business owner, educators, lobbyists, marketers, and sales professionals. So, SlideShare has a benefit. Firstly, reach a large professional audience. Secondly, is free to use and easy to use. Okay, reach a less professional audience. LinkedIn, the parent company of SlideShare, is a professional networking site. For that reason, SlideShare users tend to be more business-oriented than users found on many other networking sites. Free to use. If you are started business or solo professional, you may have a limited marketing budget. SlideShare is free, making it an affordable marketing option for your content marketing needs. And easy to use. SlideShare is easy to learn how to use, and there are also some excellent third-party tutorials available to help you get started quickly. For example, our SlideShare series, How to Make Online Presentation.
What is blog? A blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information with the latest posts appearing first. It is a platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. This is characteristic of a blog. First is a blog must always be dynamic. Second is original content. Third, posts a display in reverse order. Fourth, most blogs have the same structure. Fifth, the blog's leading star is its content. 6. Headlines should be attention grabbers. 7. All blogs are about communication. In the characteristic of a blog, number 4 is most blogs have the same structure. The blog structure, the appearance of blog change over time, and nowadays blogs include different items, but most blogs include some standard features and structure. Here are common structure that a typical blog will include. The first is header with the menu or navigation bar. Second is main content area with highlighted or latest blog posts. 3. Sidebar with social profile, favorite content or call to action. 4. Footer with relevant links like a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact page, and etc. Next is what is microblogs. Microblogging makes it easier to communicate with audience quickly rather than writing pages of a text. A microblog allows for quick conversational connection with customer. This is type of microblogging platform. First is Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and Tumblr. Next is
Benefit of microblogging. First, frequent posts. Consistency is a key in content marketing. Second is less time developing content. Some companies struggle to create length article content regularly. Last is real-time sharing. In a fast-paced environment, microblogging allows companies to share their sensitive information.
So, next is Facebook. Facebook is a social networking website where users can post comments, share photographs, and post links to news or other interesting content on the web, chat live, and watch short-form video. The key features of Facebook is Facebook allows you to maintain a friend list and choose privacy settings to tailor who can see content on your profile. Next, Facebook also allows you to upload photos and maintain photo album that can be shared with your friend. Now we go to the advantages and disadvantages of Facebook. The first advantages of Facebook is Facebook for networking. You can use Facebook to connect with your family and friends, and even you can meet new people on Facebook. Second, Facebook for dating. For example, social network powered by over 1 billion active users, so it will be easy to find a date that share common interests and hobbies. Next, Facebook for business. Anyone can take advantage of Facebook to maintain a good relationship with others who identify with certain tastes or products. This is very important because as a businesswoman or businessman, you can sell or promote a product or service to a highly targeted audience, thus increasing the possibilities of making money on the social media. Next is the disadvantages of Facebook. The first one is fake Facebook profiles. For example, Facebook is full of fake profiles. There is no limit to these profiles. Most of them are created by stalkers or marketers looking to gain more friends and use it for their marketing purpose. Second, Facebook privacy. In the past, it has created a lot of buzz due to sudden change, but now Facebook has simplified its privacy setting. Another thing to consider has to do with the availability of really personal information, whether it's in video, pictures, or text. Here is a good rule, which is never give out too much personal information at your social media. And the last one is private status published publicly. Even though Facebook has simplified its privacy setting, many unknowing users still end up publishing private image and status update publicly. Also, people usually keep their Facebook friends list visible to the public, and this helps Facebook stalkers find more information about you. Next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social network that focuses on professional networking and career development. You can use LinkedIn to display your resume, search for jobs, and enhance your professional reputation by posting updates and interacting with other people. We go to the advantages and disadvantages of LinkedIn. The first advantages of LinkedIn is make important business connection. For example, you get to choose whom to connect with on LinkedIn. You can connect with past coworkers, employers, and Fortune 500 executives. You will never know who will accept your invitation. Second, introduce others to your books, websites, blog, and more. Your profile has spots where you can list book and your author and links to your blog, website, or other online content. This drives more traffic and sales to your interests. Third, research other businesses. A lot of businesses are on LinkedIn. If you are interested in working with a particular business, you can use LinkedIn to read its business profile, connect with people who work for that business, and more. That is disadvantages of LinkedIn. LinkedIn owns your personal data and information. Nothing in the world is free. LinkedIn supports itself through advertisement by allowing advertisers to target its users through the data it collects through user profile. Many people consider this is as one of the biggest disadvantages of LinkedIn because they are not comfortable with their professional information being sold. Second, LinkedIn decides on who reads your posts.
This is a debatable one because there is so much content being shared across all social media websites like LinkedIn have built algorithms that limit the share content based on user interest and engagement levels. The next one is it exposes your identity. From a privacy perspective, having your life, which is a personal or professional, out there for everyone to see is not the safest thing one can do. And that one of the drawbacks of LinkedIn that people should be careful about. You may have a very close profile where you only add and accept people you know. But this one help you to make the most out of this platform. So that's all from our group. Thank you.